Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting 3 months of bank statements, bills, and pay stubs so numbers are accurate. Once done, open Excel and create a sheet with income, fixed and variable expense columns, and label a totals row. Make sure to set your date range and currency format immediately to avoid errors. Then enter recurring items first, salary, rent, subscriptions, so irregular spending is added later. This compact setup lets you build formulas without reformatting later, keeping the workbook clean and reliable. You now structure formulas and categories to track behavior. Start with SUM for each category row, then use SUMIFs to pull totals by tag groceries, transport, utilities, so you can slice data easily. Next, add a % of income column. Divide category total by total income and format as %. Conditional formatting highlights expenses above target. Also create a helper cell to toggle monthly versus annual amounts. This converts annual bills into monthly values automatically. These steps let you see where money flows. You complete the workbook by defining a savings goal cell and subtracting it from leftover cash to force priorities. Once that number is visible, insert simple charts, stacked bars, or a pie for category breakdown, so you immediately visualize progress. Make sure to lock key cells with sheet protection and document assumptions in a notes cell. If things go wrong, first check for broken references, duplicated rows, or hidden cells causing discrepancies. Then fix rounding by standardizing decimal places. Finalize by saving a dated backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.